Hello, welcome back to Think with Digital. Today I'm going to show you one of the best templates on Clickup for planning for a week. And I'm going to give you some tips for effectively planning your week using Clickup. First, navigate to your clickup.com and scroll down in the left side. Tap on Create Space. Give your space a name. Like I'm naming it as a weekly plan. You can also put description, but that is totally optional. If you don't want to put description, that's totally okay. You don't have to. And then tap on use templates. Here is the most important part of the whole weekly planning. You can also choose your template by their types. You can choose space, folder, list, and other things that are mentioned here. You can also use complexity as if you are using ClickUp for the really first time, then you can tap on beginner, or if you have been using ClickUp for a really long time, you can tap on advanced. And when you do that, you will have your customized templates from here. And the best two templates that I'm going to show you is event planning and the other one is student. So first we are going into the event planning. Tap on use template. You can again put your event planning name here. I'm going to name it as a weekly plan. And you can also include archive task here. After doing all of this, tap on use template. Now once you have created an event planning, here is the template, and after opening the template, go to how to use this template, and put your weekly plan and write in the subtitles and tap on weekly planning so that it would be more specific for you to work on. And then there is a video walkthrough. You can also remove it. Just tap on this three dots option and go to delete. Now we have task views list specifically for the upcoming week. You can title it something as weekly task, or you can also type it as a weekly planning. Now coming to the task views, you will find a plus option. You can choose ClickUp list and then just add your task one by one. Like this, you can tap on many tasks as you want. Now, if you come to boards, you will see there are many types of sector that is created here, like to do, new request, new prospecting, active sponsors, special guest, and you can name it as you want. You can name it as your sector. If you're a student, you can write it as a new lecture or upcoming lecture and what lectures you have done till now. In the to-do list, you can just remove this title from here, and you can just type your weekly plannings. You can also add dates. You can also track time from the track time option from here. You can also review your previous week's task and look at any incomplete task for the. You can also use tags or spaces. Categorize your task using tags or separate spaces to organize them by project, team, or responsibility. Now, if you come to the three more option, you can find this events calendar section. And here you will find a real calendar, and the tasks that you have created earlier in the weekly planning, they will be saved here. And also at the right side of your task, you will find what kind of tasks you have upcoming in your college or school. You can see all of the tasks recorded and in the unscheduled option. And also if you go to overdue, you will find your task that has been overdue, and you can also rearrange them. Now, In your weekly planning, if you want to add a document or if you want to find a document really quickly, then you can tap on view option and you will find this documents option here. Go to documents and you will be able to find all of your and you will be able to find the document section here. You can put a name of your documents, you can add comments, you can add icons or add covers and other things as well. Now we are going to see a new template that will be best for a weekly planning for a student. Now we will again go on to create space, then give a name of your space. Then tap on use templates and in the search bar type student. And the only template you will find by typing student is a student quick use template. Just go to the template and tap on use template and wait for some seconds until it is processed at the workspace. Now, if you scroll down, you will find your student workspace here and there are different types of list that is recorded here. One is class notes and the other one is class assignments. In the class notes, we are going to have all the notes that in the class notes, we are going to have all the lectures that we have to do or all the classes that we have to attend. Like here you can see they have added different types of label here to see what kind of task you're doing throughout the week and what is important and what is not. And if you need more information about this specific templates, you can tap on how to use this template and you're going to have all the necessary guidelines from here, like use the drop down custom field to designate which course you're completing the task for. Use the label custom field to designate whether notes are from a lecture or a section, a reading or a study group. Now, if you have finished your to-do list, you can tap on this group section here and you can change your status. You can also go to custom field to type it to make it as a reviewed or type, and you can also add more custom fields as you want. Now, if you go to class assignments section, you will see a more detailed section. In the all tasks section, you will find a to-do list that you have done. You will find a complete task section here. That means you have completed that means you have completed this list. That means you have completed this task here. And then if you go to subjects, you will find all of your necessary search bars here, all of your necessary labels here. And after all of this, you can also tap on add task and then put your task name, put your description. You can also customize your fields. And then also, if you have a document related to the task, you can go to document and you can put a name of the document and then just tap on create doc. You can also share it with your team. If you're collaborating with others, share weekly task lists so everyone is aligned with expectations. If you come to invite, you will be able to find people by their email and you can send them invitation. At the end of each week, review your completed and remaining tasks and adjust your plan for the following week accordingly. I think Clickup's flexibility allows you to customize your weekly planning and it also makes you fit your personal preference and workflow. Let me know if you have found this video useful and the link of the two templates will be given in the description. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.